Jaguar XK140 fixed head coupe. Owners, gentlemen, start your engines. We're looking at BAS. Kit here being installed in this red on black car, attractive combination. It hasn't been cleaned up yet for final cleanup, but I wanted to just film and show what we've got happening here. The lighting's not the greatest here, but you can see inside all the carpet is fitted. Where Dynamat was used in this car, underfelt, foil insulation up above on the headliner. We're not getting into. We try to avoid anything that isn't upholstery work, so we don't get into fitting door hardware. If we take it apart, we can put it back together. If we don't, it's somebody else's job. So we stick to the soft upholstery, and as you can see, the results here are perfect. This is a late car with the curved style rear seats. Just trying to swing the light around again. And all the moquette at the back, rear parcel shelf, brand new birch ply. Just if anyone is watching this, you can see that the moquette pieces around here are done in separate pieces to form that lip. And turned out really nicely. Opera lights, brand new panels come with the kit. Headliner's all in, ready for the wood, and of course the wood clears the tack strips around the window. That's those strips in the kit, that's what they're for. If you guys are doing your own install, always around the rear window like this. Again, we don't get involved in the glass, any of that stuff. Trunk's all trimmed out here. You can see just how nicely it all turned out. And the front seats are looking absolutely beautiful. Frames are powder coated. The plinth seats are trimmed. Plinth for the seats holding up the tracks are all trimmed, ready to go. Moquette on the filler. Hinge cover panel. So all in all, turned out very nicely. We have the crest of a wave rubber. This is to do with the seat belt. Again, we're not getting involved in that, but that's what the lump is there. But all in all, looks easy now that it's all done, but it's a time-consuming job. It's careful work, and but I think it all turned out very nicely. So there you go. That's what they look like when they're done. When only the best will do.